In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an ActiveCampaign account. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, let's dive right in. First, let's talk about what ActiveCampaign is. It's an amazing marketing automation tool that helps businesses manage their email marketing, customer relationship management, and so much more. Whether you're a small business owner or part of a large marketing team, having an account set up is essential for leveraging all of its powerful features. To start, head over to your web browser and type in the URL for ActiveCampaign. Once you land on their homepage, you'll notice a prominent button that says Start for Free. Go ahead and click that button. ActiveCampaign typically offers a free trial, so you can test it out before committing to anything. After clicking the button, you'll be directed to a registration page. Here, you'll need to enter a few key details. Start by adding your email address. Make sure it's one you regularly check, as you'll need to verify it later. Next, create a password. Aim for something secure that you can remember, but also make it a bit complicated to keep your account safe. Once you've filled out those fields, you'll likely see a prompt to enter additional information about your business. This might include your name, the name of your company, and possibly your website. Providing this information helps ActiveCampaign tailor their services to your specific needs. So take a moment to fill that out before moving on. After you've completed that section, look for the Get Started or Create Account button and click on it. If everything looks good, if all the information you've entered is accurate, you'll be prompted to check your email for a confirmation message. Now go ahead and open your email inbox. Look for an email from ActiveCampaign. Sometimes it can land in the spam or promotions folder, so do check there if you don't see it right away. Once you find the email, click on the link provided to verify your account. This is an important step as it ensures only you have access to your new account. Following the verification, you'll be taken back to ActiveCampaign, where you can now log in using the email and password you just set up. Once inside, you'll be greeted with a welcome page, which will guide you through the initial setup. You might want to take a moment to explore the dashboard. Familiarizing yourself with this area is essential, as it will be your central hub for creating campaigns, managing contacts, and setting up automation. Next, it's time to set up your first automation. Look for a prompt suggesting a quick tour, or you can click on the Automations tab directly. It might seem overwhelming at first, but don't worry. ActiveCampaign has a user-friendly interface that helps break things down clearly. As you set up your account further, consider adding your contacts. You can import lists from other platforms or add individuals manually. Keeping your contact list organized is crucial, as it will directly impact how effectively you can engage with your audience. Lastly, spend some time exploring templates for email campaigns. This will give your communications a professional touch right from the start. And that's it. You've just created your ActiveCampaign account and set the groundwork for your upcoming marketing efforts. If you have any questions or need further help, feel free to drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.